there, my name's Ann Stefanik and I'm founder and CEO of Kanopi Studios. I founded Kanopi because I saw a real need in the market for quality website support. There was agencies doing bug fixes and security patches, and other agencies doing full end-to-end builds, but nobody really offering that targeted iterative improvements. As they like to say, small bites create big wins. So whether it's just fixing a landing page or a form, or maybe even doing small updates to your homepage, these changes can make real impact. Many years later, Kanopi now offers full service solutions, and that includes full end-to-end builds, quality support, and everything in between. Our process is about continuous website improvement. So whether you're looking for a full build, or you need to start a smaller discrete project, by iterating quickly and efficiently, you're able to actually spend less money over time. So why choose Kanopi? What makes us unique? Well, first, we take care of the whole life cycle of the website, meaning no matter where you are in your web journey, we can help you, whether you've just launched or you need to start from scratch. Second, our support is unmatched. We only spend about 1% of our time on maintenance, and the other 99% of our time is spent on strategic enhancements. And third, we make websites easy to understand. We communicate in a way that really provides clarity and makes you look good. Thank you for choosing Kanopi.